Look at the quality of stitching, amazing quality you can see, and the details. This is the back side of the t-shirt. Let me show you the logo. And material is polyester blend, and this is size XL. So I would recommend you to go a size bigger than your usual size. Mine is large, so I went for XL. Made in Vietnam, Reebok. Logo here. This is the stitching towards the shoulder side. And this is towards the bottom, single stitching. Let me try to wear this and show you how it looks. Well, this is how it looks. My height is around 5'10", 5'11", and I weigh around 72 kilos. Size XL. Material is very stretchable. It is polyester blend and very stretchable. This is the look from the rear side. And this is right now retailed at 1499, but in discount you can get it for 1349 rupees. I'll share the link to buy this t-shirt in the description, and really impressed by the quality of the t-shirt, and I'm very happy with the purchase. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.